Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dutta. This is the 16th YouTube tutorial video of the series of educational videos as I promised you to make on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you. As a new one, I have to finish my video within 15 minutes. So I have just taken the question number 13 from the exercise 9.1 class 10 under some applications of trigonometry. Now let us see what the question says. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Let us repeat the question. As observed from the top of a 75-meter lighthouse from the sea level, that means the height of the lighthouse from the sea level is 75 meter. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other, that means on the same side of the lighthouse, that means if one ship is exactly behind the other, that means both the ships are moving on the same line or route, and on the same side of the lighthouse, that means we can have four sides. The lighthouse can have four sides: front, back, left or right, whatever may be the side. Both the ships are moving on the same side and on the same route or line. Find the distance between the two ships. We have to find out the distance between the two ships. A lighthouse is nothing but a building with light which warns the ships and aircrafts. Now to do this type of sum, always go for the diagram first to be very clear. Now let us draw the sea level. This is the sea level. Name it as MN. Sea level. Now let us draw the lighthouse, which will be perpendicular to this sea level MN. And let us name it as AB, and AS top, BS base. After that, let us draw the horizontal line from the top of the lighthouse A and at the same time parallel to this sea level, and which will again will be perpendicular to the lighthouse AB. And let us name as K. AK is the horizontal line parallel to this sea level MN. Now after that, let us take the position on this MN line, sea level line. The position of the ship which makes the depression angle 30 degree, and let us take it as C, the position of the ship. Now draw the lighthouse side for this position of the ship which makes an angle of depression at the top of the lighthouse with the horizontal line AK, which is according to question 30 degree. After that, let us take the position of the ship on the sea level and let us name it as D, line of sight for the first ship. Now again draw the line of sight for this second ship from the top of the lighthouse, line of sight, from the line of sight. Now according to the question, the angle of depression for the second position of the ship is 45 degree. We have got a right angle here. Now the horizontal line AK and the sea level MN both are parallel to each other. Now AC is the line of intersection, so the measure of the angle SCB will be of the measure of 30 degree. Again in the same manner, AK is parallel to MN and SCAD is, if we consider as the line of intersection, then again in that case the measure of the angle ADB will also be of 45 degree. So we have got two right triangles here, ACB and ADB. The height of the lighthouse according to the question is 75 meter. Now write the description. Write in this way: let Mn is the sea level. Let Mn is the sea level and AB is the lighthouse with A as top and B as base. And AK AK is the horizontal line parallel to MN. Therefore, according to question, depression angle KAC is equal to 30 degree. Depression angle KAD is equal to 45 degree. Right now, since AK is parallel to MN, AK is parallel to MN, AC is the line of intersection. Therefore, measure of the angle SCB is equal to 30 degree. Again, since AK is parallel to MN, AD is the line of intersection. Therefore, measure of angle ADB is equal to 45 degree. Now write according to question, measure of AB is equal to 75 meter. 75 meter. Now write in this way. Now in right triangle ACB ACB, we need the measure of BC and BD. So we will take cot theta, B by S. In triangle ACB, cot 30 degree is equal to B by S, BC by AB, BC by AB. This again implies cot 30 degree equal root 3 is equal to, write BC again here, BC by AB. Now measure of AB is equal to 75 meter according to question. So write here 75. Therefore BC is equal to 75 root 3. Again, in right triangle ADB, again we need the measurement of BD and BD, so we are taking cot theta. Cot 45 degree is equal to B by S, that means BD by AB, BD by AB. This again implies cot 45 degree is equal to 1 is equal to BD by AB. Again measure of AB is equal to 75 meter. So write 75 here. Therefore BD is equal to 75. So we have got the measure of BC, BC and BD. Now you can directly write in this way. Therefore the required distance between the two ships is equal to measure of distance between the two ships is equal to, that means DC. So that will be equal to measure of BC measure of BC minus measure of BD. This is again equal to measure of BC is 75 root 3 minus measure of BD is 75. The height of the lighthouse is 75 meter. That means the unit is given in the question is meter, so write here meter. This is again equal to, take 75 as common, 75. In that case you will get root 3 here minus 1 meter. This is the answer. That means the required distance between the two ships on the same route. So this is all for today. Why not? I will definitely expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.